1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's the 10
Base
commandments. What?
What's up, YouTube? Coming at you here with a little channel update. Got some new goodies in the mail. Let's check them out and see what we got. Alright guys, coming back to you now. We've got a couple packages to unbox. This one I'm really excited for. We'll save it for last. First, let's take a peek inside, see what we got. Here we go. Let's check it out. So I found a good deal online for this CT Sounds CCA 8 gauge power wire. I got the color of black. It's 250 feet. So this is going to be running the subs, from the subs to the amp. That'll be the speaker wire there. And then for my wife's car, she has two little Memphis 10s. It was in her prior vehicle. She's had the one now for over a year, and I've yet to put them in there. So we got to put these little Memphis 10s back in her car. She's a little power base 600 watt amp. So not much bump. She doesn't like a whole lot, but so I'll use this for running her car, power and ground, and then use it in my truck for the subs, the speaker wire. So yeah, 25 bucks. Yeah, $25. That's it. So if y'all are interested, be sure to check it out. ctsounds.com. 8 gauge CCA, 250 feet, 25, 55. Now guys, with previous videos I made, I'm always checking into shipping costs now. This was free shipping, so I was waiting, hey, $25 is a great deal. Is it going to cost, $10, $15 in shipping? But nope, free shipping. So that's that one. Pretty excited there. Let's see what's in this package. Alright, let's check this one out. I'm going to set this down. Watch for me. Of course it moves, but here we go. So this is from my buddy Patrick. Check him out if y'all need any box designs. Hit up Smashly Designs on Instagram. We'll throw up a link for his in the bio. But he does more than box designs. He's got some little custom artwork done for me. Let's see. We got it all out. Yeah, buddy. Check it out. So this is going to go on the inside of the box. It's going to be on one side. Fucking mail carrier folded it and put it in the mailbox. I really wish they would have brought it to the door. I hope it didn't affect them, but there's one. Let's see what else we got. There we go. Hell yeah, man. Again, Patrick, I appreciate the hookup, man. If y'all need any custom decals, again, check him up, Smashly Designs on Instagram. Let's see what else we got. Got the black Death Bounce. Guess I'm stuck to it. What do we got? Little black Alphard. The black Death Bounce. Hell yeah. There you go, Smashly Designs. Be sure to hit him up, guys. Does good work, quick turnaround time, and he's a good guy. Check out his build too. He's got a Death Bounce build underway. I won't give too many of his secrets out, but yeah, be sure to check him out. We got this YouTube channel here. Variations of colors. So this one will go on the back window. This one will go inside the box. We'll figure out what to do with this one because I have a black one like this on my dash now. So these two will go one side of the box, left, right, vice versa. And then some more variations of colors. Box. And a Mini Explorer. Man, I'm really tickled with these. He came up with that on his own. Didn't even ask for it, but I'm really happy with it because I've been trying to figure out a name for the build, you know, to kind of play off the name, and he kind of just made it easy for me. Death Bounce Explorer. So, go guys. So, I'm super tickled with him. I love opening new shit, man. Yeah, I mean, hit him up. He also made a custom decal for a guy, Paul, on the team. Team Retribution. He's got a older F-150 pickup. He's got a custom name for it, so he made him a custom decal for it. Turned out really nice. Man, just check that spread. Yeah, buddy. Again, shout out Smashley Designs. Check him out. Again, if you need a good deal, some CCA 8 gauge. They also had red and then black. Be sure to check out the website to see what all different variations of colors. But yeah, man, there's been a lot of good sales recently. So, check it out, guys. Alright, well, stay tuned for channel updates. Build logs will start here in the next few weeks, I hope. Should have the money for most materials to build this weekend, so tomorrow. Pretty excited for it. But again, appreciate you watching. Hit the thumbs up button. Share, subscribe if you have not already. Stay tuned for next time.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I've been in this game for years. It made me an animal. It's rules to this shit. I wrote me a manual, a step-by-step booklet for you to get your game on track. Not your wig pushed back. Rule number uno. Never let no one know how much dough you hold. Cause you know that try to breed jealousy, especially if that man fucked up. Get your ass stuck up. Number 2, never let them know your next move. Don't you know bad boys move in silence and violence? Take it from your highness. I done squeeze mad clips at these cats for they bricks and chips. Number 3, never trust nobody. Your mom's set that ass up, properly gassed up. Hoodie the masked up. For that fast buck, she be laying in the bushes to light that ass up. Number 4, know you heard this before. Never get high on your own supply.